Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust exposure and color on the Edits Instagram app. So if you have a clip which you're editing on the Edits Instagram app and you want to make it brighter, or maybe you want to change the color temperature, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for the Edits Instagram app. Here you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to make sure you're in the project section here. Now from here, you can go ahead and select a project which you've just created, or you can go ahead and create a new project. So for example, this one here, I'll select a media, I'll tap add. Now, as you can see, this media is really dark and I want to expose this properly. So to expose this properly, I'll go ahead and select that media in the timeline. At the bottom here, I'll go ahead and select adjust. And now I can go ahead and adjust all these settings. I can adjust the brightness, I can adjust the contrast, I can adjust the warmth, the saturation, the fade, the highlight, the shadows, the vignette, and I can sharpen it as well. Once I'm happy, I'll go ahead and tap on the tick. And now I've adjusted the exposure and the color on that media on the Edits Instagram app. So there you go, guys. That is how to adjust exposure and the color on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.